Hey, thanks for stopping by. THUMP Custom Baits. I'm gonna tie a little jig today. I think I'm gonna call it bleeding shad. How about that? Okay, what we got here is a number 4 sickle hook on a pill head, powder coated in red bug. See that? But it has some green, like some chartreuse green and black flakes in it. I don't know how well that's showing up on the camera, but it looks really nice. I'll go ahead and put that in my vise. Lock it down, not going anywhere. What I like to do is just put me a little dab of super glue, just a little bit, like that. All this is Loctite Super Glue Pro Gel. Just a little dab. I have some uni thread 220 denier on my bobbin. Make me one loop around and just kind of work that back and forth and get that super glue over the shank of the hook. And now I want to tie it back. Just before the tip of my hook, I'm going to stop and I'm going to come back up towards the head. Gives me a nice base to work with. Cut that off. I'm going to use some hairline fish hair black. I'll pull me a plug off of this hank here. Not like that there. Now just eyeball it. That's 20, 30 thread, 20, 30 pieces. Go ahead and cut that off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to double it up. About the same length. Like that. I'm going to cut it in half again. Inch it. Okay. Now, line them all back up. From that. Trim that same. I'm going to bring this in front of my threads. Just try to even them up. Okay. Now I'm going to wrap my thread back over it. Alright. Just like that. All the way down. Just in front of my hook point and all the way back. I'll build my neck up a little bit. Just lock that down. Tie a couple simple knots. Grab it. Twist it. Twist it again. Back over. Just lock that thread in right there. Okay. Now, got some Flashaboo. It's like a wild white iridescent. And I really just want one strand of it. Let's see if I can pull one out. package. There we go. See that? How iridescent it is. Fold that back over by half. Cut that in half. Put half of it away. Take this other half. Straighten it out. Fold that over again. And cut it again. Just like that. I got me two pieces. In front of the thread, behind the head. And wrap my threads over it. And I'm going to pull it down over the sides. Tie that in. That's a flash. Simple knot. 1, 2. This back behind the head. Lock that in. I've got some red crystal flash. I'll try to get me one piece of it. Same thing. Double it over. Cut it in half. Double it over again. And cut that in half. And back to the jig. Front of the thread, behind the head. Head, crystal flash, and my thread's behind it. I'm going to wrap over that to lock that crystal flash down. Just give me some wraps all the way back, just like that. Simple knot. Set. Work my thread back towards the hook point. Got some New Age Chanel bleeding shad. That's what I'm going to call this jig, bleeding shad. Find the end of it right here. Move this back over this way. I'll wait for a second. Take the very end of it, tip of it. A couple looser wraps first, trying to get it to lay down. Then after I got it, then I can go around it and lock that in all the way back to the head. Bobbin over here, put a little tension. And just wind this Chanel on here. Give me one good wrap by the head, like that. Tension on this. Nice. Like that. Okay. Get this out of the way. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to come behind the Chanel, wrap it, behind it, wrap it, and then do a couple in front. Couple in front. Behind it, couple in front, behind it, behind again, just a couple in front, just like that. I can cut this off like that. Now we're just going to build this collar up a little bit with our thread. like that. Get our whip finish tool. Just a couple there. Just like that. Cut this off there. A couple eyes. Put on here. Oh, sorry about that. And let's see here. Put some of these. These eyes just stick on for now, but I'm going to put some UV epoxy on it, and it's going to lock everything in. Just get that line where I want it, just like that. Okay, that's good. Got some UV epoxy. Resin, some around my collar, lock those threads in, and then we'll go over our eyes, head, jig as well. It's going to lock everything. It's going to lock the threads. It's going to lock the eyes. That's where we're at. And now I'm going to put this in my light box. As soon as the UV resin cures, I'll be back and show you the finished product. All right, everybody, we're back. Here it is. UV resin's cured. Lock the eyes in. Lock my thread, all my tying in. I'm just going to come in and trim off some of the flash. Like that. And there it is. Bleeding shad, bloody shad. That's going to bend the rods. Open that cooler up, get the grease hot. Thanks for watching.